Hello guys, today I have Aquarius X2 Pro and the other Android device, and I'm gonna show you how to transfer data between these two devices. So for the first, open the application. Now you have to choose the phone you will be sending from. So I will send from the Aquarius X2 Pro and receive on the other Android device. Tap search again and wait until these devices connect. Now tap on the Android share and you have to input the password. The password is here. And of course press connect. Now wait a little bit and accept the request by pressing OK. And now you have to choose the details, so I go for the photos and maybe I will take these two, or no, maybe these two photos. I press start again, OK, and that's it. We have go to the gallery to show you that these two photos are already here. And as you can see, these two pictures are in the other Android device. Hope you guys enjoy, and of course leave likes, subscriptions and comment below. See you!